also amine solution here. Okay? The steam comes here to condense and get out from here. Heat transfer to the amine system. Q dot S related to the steam, and we have a hot oil comes into the system, get out with lower temperature. And also this stream gives Q for hot oil over there. I want to compare these two processes over there. The temperature of hot oil is 350 degrees centigrade maximum, and the oil gets out from here maybe at 200 degrees centigrade. Okay? If I want to calculate the heat transfer in this system, I will write Q dot in hot oil system is equal to overall heat transfer coefficient, we named K prime, T1, and the area of the transfer, T high temperature minus T
delta T.
Delta T, yeah. But in this process, I have to write down Q for the steam is equal to M dot, here we have on M. The amount of heating media comes into the process and gets out. M dot DHFG. The heat of condensation or vaporization. The amount of heat of vaporization of water is much huger than this one. That means if you want to vaporize the water in the system at the temperature of 100 degrees centigrade, the heat of vaporization is much greater than you want to increase temperature from 10 degrees centigrade up to 180 degrees centigrade. At the constant temperature, just vaporize the water. Require more energy than this huge amount of heat transfer. That means the efficiency of this system in the exchanger, it can carry much more energy at the lower temperature. The temperature is 170 degrees. For the amine system, you cannot use this one. If you introduce this high temperature oil to the system, your amine immediately degraded in your system. But with the lower temperature, you are able to use it in any process. The variety, the number of processes you can use steam is much more than the processes you can use hot oil. Therefore, we decided to use steam in the amine process. If you want to install a process, an amine sweetening process in your refinery, you have to change your heating media system to the steam system, steam distribution system. Because the huge amount of energy transfer at the lower temperature that prevent degradation of amine. Also for the MEG is the same. If you introduce this hot media into the MEG, maybe you destroy some molecules in your system. Therefore, it's better to design, when you design the heating system, you have to consider the future and the project. Maybe after a while, you have to start it and build it.